भारती न्यूज, सीधा, सटीक और निष्पक्ष।
Good evening and welcome to Bharti News. I'm Shweta Arora Malhotra. Let's have a look at the biggest news of the day. Here is the national news first. Jagannath Rath Yatra 2024, 1 dead, 15 injured in stampede-like situation. CM Maji announces ex gratia. The stampede-like situation occurred during the chariot pulling of Lord Balbhadra. A devotee fell during the ritual and lost his life. The injured were mostly non-critical and were discharged after primary treatment. In a tragic incident, one devotee died while 15 others were injured following a stampede-like situation during the Rath Yatra of Lord Jagannath in Puri, Odisha on Sunday. The injured devotees were immediately admitted to the hospital. However, most of them suffered minor injuries and were subsequently discharged from the hospital after primary treatment. Meanwhile, the treatment of seriously injured devotees was underway. The deceased devotee was not identified yet. However, he is said to be from outside Odisha. The Supreme Court on Monday heard a series of petitions concerning the continuous NEET UG 2024 medical entrance examination. These petitions, which include allegations of irregularities and malpractices during the 5 test, are calling for the exam to be conducted afresh. The court has listed the matter for July 11 and asked the Center, NTA and CBI to file affidavits in the court on Wednesday. The Center and the National Testing Agency NTA responsible for administering NEET UG have recently informed the Apex Court that cancelling the exam would be counterproductive and would seriously jeopardize the futures of numerous honest candidates, especially given the lack of evidence for a large-scale breach of confidentiality. The Supreme Court asked Center, NTA, CBI to file affidavits list matter for July 11. In the latest development, the IMD on Monday issued a red alert for Mumbai. The information was shared by BMC. The alert was issued after intermittent but extremely heavy rainfalls triggered massive waterlogging in the city. According to the information shared by BMC, a red alert was issued for Mumbai, Raigad and Ratnagiri, while an orange alert was issued for Thane and Palghar. Seeing the roads and locality inundated with rainwater, the Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation has ordered the closure of the schools for 9 July in its area. Meanwhile, the Andheri subway has also been temporarily closed after a severe accumulation of rainwater. Moreover, considering the inclement weather, several flights were diverted while about 50 flights were cancelled. So here comes the international news. In a big win for India, Russia has decided to discharge and facilitate the return for all Indian nationals working in the Russian army after Prime Minister Narendra Modi raised the matter with Russian President Vladimir Putin. India was expected to strongly raise the issue of Indians recruited into the Russia-Ukraine conflict after the death of 2 people seeking their expeditious discharge. India was expected to strongly raise the issue of Indian nationals recruited into the Russia-Ukraine conflict seeking their expeditious discharge. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar strongly raised the matter with his Russian counterpart. US President Joe Biden has vowed to push on with his re-election bid and challenge doubters to contest him at the upcoming Democratic National Convention amid growing concerns from within his own party that he should step down from the November 5 presidential election following a shaky and widely panned debate performance that fueled fears that he may not up for the job at 81. The US President has been attacked by his own party colleagues after his poor performance at the Atlanta debate on June 27 against his Republican rivalry Donald Trump, but adopted a deficient approach on Monday by dismissing the concerns of fellow Democrats on Capitol Hill and donors that his persistence could cost the party, the White House and Congress in the upcoming election. FSSAI approves proposal to mandate showing nutritional information on food labels in bold, increased font size along with empowering Along with empowering consumers to make healthier choices, the amendment would also contribute towards efforts to combat the rise of non-communicable diseases and promote public health and well-being. The Food Safety and Standards Authority of India (FSSAI) has approved a proposal to display nutritional information of total sugar, salt and saturated fat on labels of packed food items. The move is aimed at empowering consumers to be better informed about the nutritional value of food products. The information must be written in bold letters and a comparatively increased font size, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare said in a release. The decision to approve the amendment in the Food Safety and Standards Labeling and Display Regulations 2020 regarding nutritional information labeling was taken in the 44th meeting of the Food Authority. The government is considering doubling the beneficiary base under its flagship Ayushman Bharat health insurance scheme over the next 3 years, beginning with the inclusion of all individuals aged above 70 years. The centre may also increase the insurance coverage to Rs 10 lakhs per year in the Union Budget 2024. If approved, the proposals are estimated to require an additional expenditure of Rs 12,076 crore annually for the exchequer, according to estimates prepared by the National Health Authority. Sports Indian Olympic Association President P.T. Usha has confirmed India's flag bearers for the upcoming Paris Olympic 2024. She has also announced that Gagan Narang will be India's safety mission for the games, replacing MC Mary Kom. Two-time Olympic medalist P.V. Sindhu and table tennis Achanta Sharath Kamal will be India's flag bearers for the upcoming Paris Olympic 2024. Narang's promotion from the deputy CDM post comes after Mary Kom resigned from the post. PT Usha confirmed the developments through a press release. I was looking for an Olympic medalist to lead our contingent and my young colleague is an apt replacement for Mary Kom, PT Usha said in a press conference. She also confirmed Sindhu, the only Indian female with 2 Olympic medals, as the flag bearer alongside Sharath. I am also delighted to announce that India's only women to win 2 Olympic medals, P.V. Sindhu as the female flag bearer alongside table tennis Sharath Kamal in the opening ceremony, Usha said. So that concludes our news bulletin for today. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned to Bharti News for continuous coverage and more updates. Wishing you a good evening and a great night ahead. Thank you.
भारती न्यूज़, सीधा, सटीक और निष्पक्ष।